Good morning. Today we are going to see the chapter 7, class 3 EVS, saying without speaking. Objectives of this chapter. In this chapter, the students will be able to identify meanings of many facial expression to know how deaf and dumb people communicate to each other. Our face expression and body movement speak what we want to say. For example, happy. A person looks happy when he achieves something or wins. Sad. A person looks sad when he loses something or someone hurt him. Scared. A person looks scared when he gets frightened from something. Surprised. A person gets surprised when he gets something which he did not expect. Worried. A person gets worried when he faces any problem. Angry. A person gets angry when his efforts or opinion are not appreciated. Confused. A person gets confused when his mind is unclear about something. Excitement. A person gets excited when his greatest target is achieved. Now let us play the game Dumb Charades. The game in which one player acts and other guesses is called Dumb Charades. One will act, another will guess. Let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. So how to play this game? Without speaking, we have to act. For that, you divide yourselves into groups of 7. Teacher will give each group a piece of paper with a situation written on it. Each group will read what is written on the paper and prepare a silent act. Keep in mind that you cannot speak. You can express through your face and body movements only. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other groups. The others will have to guess what is being acted out. Let us start the game. The game goes like this. Now, I will give you a paper to each one of you. You have to act out the situations through your body movements. Okay, ma'am. Here is your chance. Okay, ma'am. I will perform. So I have to act. Is it laughing? Yes, the word given in the paper is laughing. Well done. Next I will play, ma'am. Now act out this situation. So I have to act what is written in the paper. Dancing. Yes, your answer is correct. Yes, dancing only. Well done children, well done. Now it is my turn. Now act this situation. Now I have to act. Nodding. Yes, your answer is correct. Your guessing is correct. Now I will act my situation. Jumping. Yes, jumping. Do you know, most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. These people talk through accents. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. So, in some schools, sign language is taught to them. I have a sister. My sister cannot hear. She is having the problem of hearing. Now the poem goes like this. I have a sister, my sister is deaf. She is special. There are many sisters like mine. My sister can play the piano. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords. But she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now my sister has started going to my school. Although our mother still helps her speak and read at home, the teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off. When I spoke, what do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? Hand sign language. Dumb children use hand sign language to talk to each other. Thank you.